The Nyotrab Integrated Territorial Organization Hito Jaintia unit on Tuesday submitted a representative to the Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia District demanding exemption of ML-04 registered vehicles from paying toll fees at the 7Mer Toll Plaza under Ialong village. Led by its president Buram Dakhar, the delegation met the district administration and submitted the memorandum through the additional Deputy Commissioner B. Bla, as the Deputy Commissioner was not available. In the representation, Hito cited the National Highways Fee Rules 2008, which stipulate that toll fees cannot be levied on vehicles plying within a 20-kilometer radius on a national highway. The organization contended that the 7Mer Toll Plaza falls within this limit and therefore sought immediate relief for locally registered ML-04 vehicles. The organization stated that residents of several areas including Kendong Tuber, Minso, Muthlong, Pramer, Shangpung and Jowai, among others in West Jaintia district, are being adversely affected. It pointed out that locals frequently use the route for daily activities such as marketing, trade, medical visits and official work. Hito further maintained that ML-04 vehicles being locally registered should be exempted from toll payments, citing Ribhoi district where ML-10 vehicles reportedly enjoy similar exemptions. The organization also urged that ML-04 vehicle owners should not pay toll fees if exemptions are denied, alleging that continued collection would infringe upon the rights of local residents. The organization appealed to the public to report any such collection to Hito and stated that it would consider further action if the issue remains unresolved.
Taxi na kadeng jo ni kuka Hito Jaintia Hills dia banpa ada broadcast sa Commissioner jong West Jaintia Hills at by day baka Toll Plaza dan ke toll gate ke baton Ute han 7Mer hab Sinong Ialong West Jaintia Hills district agaleng jongi kuka Hito ni dawa bisi kumkring jong ka district pada ni juga district West Jaintia Hills bagai ban bendok nak ban simpisa yakini di local citizen bahasa boka ni ke district dan West Jaintia Hills dadangi pek katum ka kendon jong ka National Highways Fee Rules Arjatra ka kerensyai ba di try kali jono kini try kali kiba yai namba uni Toll Plaza kibam cross ya ke 40 kilometer kemud ibla ban siu ibla ban sim bisa nanai ke pai toll gate ya kini try kali kum kasen ni ngidawa ba GC udai ban keren ni kan udai ban sim action ni sebenarnya ba udai ban sim ya kini di try kali jong district West Jaintia Hills kepada registration number ML-04 ni kum kaseng ngi su tua ba GC udai ban exam no ya kini sim bisa ya kini ML-04 dadang ipet kum ha ka udai ka district kum Ribhoi ini ML-10 isu light free rekomta ni kum kaseng ni dawa ba hamne ha Jaintia Hills ro ba kidai ban pelat ni kini ML-04 dan nagaling jo kaseng dang ipet kanai kajing le jong ka nahai kajing sim bisa jong ka ya ki break di badai ki local residents ni iba kumba long harassment ya ki ikun pekat makini ki break ba try jong ka district isu mi tang arlai kilometer nakasnong joki kilasa sim bisa kalong ka ai ke ba dunong nanai ke ba pentut ya kajing ya kalai kawan ya jong pai ba kisnong ki bakta hakne ngisu ay example kum kisnong Kendong Tuber ne kisnong Minso Muthlong Pramer Shangpung Jowai kiba marjan jong kane ka toll gate je kisumi na kisunong jong itang takto ka ni kilometer bila sa simpisano ito ban ngene ba kane ka toll gate ka badon hapo kane ka district subo kini kiberiu kibalai kibawan malaksingi jingdom kam jong ki balai yeu lai hat balai sim dawai balai kayi pateng sangne hangne hasor juai takamud man la kasni masumi na yeng kila sa simpisa kalong kai ka ba bado cimentoy ka bado nong ya ki try di kali ane ki try district kejungi diberi iba bat ya kali ML-04 de ni dawa bet na udisi ba uday ban penduk sendon dan ban exam nak sendon ban sim ya kini kali ML-04 ban kan turuk bahkan hai bahkan hikai ya kini ki nong trik juga badai pej ha katul git ba kidai ban pej ya ka rules ban ikendon ban kindai ban simple mari ya ki beri ki badai nakane ka district jong best suggestions nang galing jong persen nada badai kini ya kane katul git kim sengap ya ka bangi dawa nikum ka hito Incim dah kawai pat kesenjam dan nilai hero ban yak khot dah kejing yaki pai ba ban ketur yaki pai ba ada kini ki kitra jong ni to git kita sim pisa yapi kamtam ni kini ki ML-04 ide ban tertib sangi ban ketu yapi ba kin ya snok tilang ada ni pernah ya kejing yaki pai ba ide ban yawan derti ban ni yeng te sendak jong kate katol git